The center of the low is just south of us. The pressure here in New York City is about 999 millibars, about 29.52 inches, and it's falling pretty fast. And if you look to the west, there's a big wind shift coming now. The winds where I am are coming out of the southwest, but just to my west, the winds are now shifting and coming out of the north and northeast because the storm is now wrapping itself up, and we're about to have a major wind shift. It's already starting to rain hard. The low is already beginning to bomb out right now, and when it gets east of Nantucket and Cape Cod, it's going to really become strong and make its own cold air. And this will cause snow to fall in Boston. And a lot of it, especially just west of the city. Boston's western suburbs could get upwards of a foot of snow or more. Areas that should get the most snow should be Leominster, Worcester, Natick, and Fitchburg. Those areas could get upwards of a foot of snow. Yep, and now the center of the storm is passing right over us, or the squall. We're now having a squall as we're right along the cold front right now. It's now really pouring. It's now just absolutely pouring right now. The sky to my west is very dark and threatening. Yeah, so this is actually the part of the storm that will dump all the snow in Boston, the western flank of the low pressure system. The winds are now shifting. Yep, I can already see the wind shifting towards the north already. As I look down, towards the west, I could see the clouds now beginning to move slightly more from the north than from the south. You know, now it's absolutely just pouring outside. Here's a dark cloud that just came over us, prompting all this downpour. Still 44 degrees. The cold air will wrap right behind this storm, so I mean, the moment the wind shifts, the temperature will probably start plummeting. Well, or it should be dropping down because this is that dynamic cooling part of the storm. And my prediction for, as I said, for western suburbs of Boston is between 8 to 12 inches of snow. Boston itself, Logan Airport, should get about 2 to 3 inches. But if you go just west of Boston, Danvers could get close to a foot. Well, this is the squall. It just came in. The low pressure system is just to our south now, which hence why we're having the wind shift now. So it's still 44. The 32 degree line is actually above us, so if it gets heavy enough, we could actually get some grapple. But you know, there's still a lot of warm air aloft. I mean, close to the surface, so some of that grapple could be melting before it reaches the ground. And now the winds are coming. Well, the clouds aloft are coming more out of the west now instead of the southwest as earlier. Yep, the winds have definitely shifted. They're now coming out of the west instead of the southwest. Well, thank you for watching. Bye. Now the rain's letting up and the squall has passed. Thank you. Bye.